Hello and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you go about jump starting your car. Jump starting is a very English term, I believe. I'm not quite sure how you say it around the rest of the world. The name jump starting refers to the way that electricity jumps. The easiest example of that would be with lightning. You see lightning jump from the clouds to the earth. But in this we're going to be jumping the electricity via these high power cables. You'll probably be watching this video because your car doesn't start and it's probably got a flat battery, and somebody has said, why don't you jump start your car? So we're all at different levels of knowledge, so if you don't know how to jump start your car, I'll explain this to you now. So in principle all it is connecting one battery to another. The second battery might already be fitted in another car, and we'll talk about that in a little bit, or you could be using a jump pack. So with electricity you have got a positive and a negative terminal shown by a plus and a minus, and in principle red is going to be positive, black or blue is going to be negative. It's normal working practice on modern cars to hide the battery away to keep it warm, and the positive terminal will normally be covered by an insulator of plastic to protect it. First thing you need to do is make sure that these cables are kept away from each other, because when you're connected to the battery, electricity could jump between these two cables. This is low powered 12 volt DC electricity, so it would only give you a tingle rather than to give you a shock, but just make sure that these cables are all away from everything else. So the first thing I would do is connect the positive to the positive on the car, and then on the other car or the other battery, positive to positive. We're not completing a circuit, so everything is safe right now. Next, with the negative cable well away from anything metal, connect the negative on the other car to the negative. Now on this you can either do it this one of two ways. You can connect it directly to the negative there, but what's often recommended is to find an earth point like a bolt or a part of the engine, something that is earthed. If you could find an earth strap, that would be preferable. Can't see one on this car, easily exposed. Something like this metal strap here, again, as you can see on this is being earthed here. So anything metal on the car is where you can put your earth to. If the other battery you're using to jumpstart the vehicle is fitted still inside another car, I'd recommend starting the other car first and leaving the engine to idle, or bringing the revs up to around about 1500 to 2000 RPM to basically transfer some of that electricity into that one. So with the two batteries connected, you can go ahead now and start the car. When you turn the ignition on, you should now see all of the lights light up on the dashboard, meaning that you have got power in the car now, so you can go ahead and start the vehicle. This video is intended for complete novices who don't know how to do this. If you are an experienced technician and think that I've done something wrong or recommended something wrong, then please comment down below to help out anybody that needs your help. If this did help you out, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, it will help me to share my content on YouTube. Thanks for watching.